So this is question 5 in section 3.5, and it's just the 5 number plot. So we've got data right here. Um, it looks like 13 data points, and we have to do the 5 number summary for that. Remember what that is. That's the lowest value or the min, right? Quartile 1, the quartile 2, or the median, quartile 3, and the max. So nice things. I mean, it wouldn't be bad on 13 data points to order that out yourself. You just let's put them in a line, put them in order, and then do it. But the nice thing is StatCrunch will do this for us, which becomes really convenient if the data set's bigger. So let's do stat, summary stats, columns. Everything's in variable 1, the variable 1 column. And then I just go find the stuff I want. I want the min, I want the max, I want the median. It won't quite be in the order that we want, but whoops, the median, I want the min, I want the max, I want the quartile 1 and quartile 3. And that should be everything we want, okay? So now we just have to enter that in. So what the min is this 0.598. 0.598. It doesn't tell us to round anywhere, does it? No. Okay, 598. Quartile 1 is, or it says Q1 on StatCrunch, 0.599. And then the median is 0.6. Then quartile 3 is 0.604. And then the max is 0.611. And then we just check it. Okay. Okay, and then it asks for a box plot of this. And again, it's not too hard to plot it out on paper yourself and see where things are. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this real quick. So, you're looking for the median in a box plot's right here, 0.6. That's well above this 0.6, so that can't be right. This one can't be right because the median's in the wrong place. This is the only one that has the median in the right place. And you can see like 0.599, the quartile 1 is in the right place. 0.064 or 0.604. That one looks to be right, and then 0.611, the max, looks to be right. So I'm definitely selecting B here. Although I will say StatCrunch will give this to you if you want an actual picture. So you can open it in StatCrunch and just hit graph and do Boxplot, variable 1. Just draw boxes horizontally. It'll draw it vertical by default. And then hit compute. Okay, and it gives us the one that looks like the middle. So you can do either way, just kind of process of elimination, looking at the picture, or have StatCrunch graph it and then kind of compare. And then it says choose the correct description of the shape of the function. Is it roughly symmetrical? No. If it was symmetrical, the median would kind of be in the middle of the concentration. Is it left skewed or right skewed? Or the shape cannot be determined from the box plot? Well, it actually can if you think about it. This is kind of hard sometimes for students to get their mind around. But each part of each quartile represents 25% of the graph. So it's actually the small boxes that represent the most dense part. So if I were looking at this function, I'd expect the left side of it to be very high, right? The density, that would be pretty high because there would be a lot of data points in this area right here. And then it would go down as I go to the right. So we would say, remember skew is always determined by where the tail is. So the tail is going to be on the right side. It's going to have like a long tail out here, and it's going to be really concentrated or high on the left side. So we would say the distribution is skewed right. Okay. I hope that helps a little bit. The other thing you can do is actually you can use StatCrunch to draw a histogram of this data, and you'll kind of see that it's right. It's got a tail to the right side. Hope that helps.